That was extraordinary. I think that was a wonderful synthesis of so much of what we heard today. I couldn't even begin to pretend to try to recap the last 9 hours. Rather, I would say, first of all, thank you. There are many, many people who worked incredibly hard to make the symposium happen. I'll just name a few. One is Farah Qureshi, who attended to every single detail of this symposium. So Farah, thank you very much. We've also been fortunate to have two extraordinary students who worked throughout the past 4 or 5 months on this symposium. And this symposium is not just a one-day event. We had a series of events leading up to it. One is Kate Mealy, who's a medical student, and Kate, thank you. And the other is an undergraduate, extraordinary young woman, Linda Poon. And Linda, thank you very much. We also have had a community working group that just was incredible in terms of input and involvement. And two people who were instrumental there is Rebecca Adnafru and Michael Scott. And Rebecca and Michael, thank you very much. There are many more people from the Urban Health Institute, from the Provost's office, and on. Too many to mention. Thank you. I'd like to just very briefly tell you what the next steps are, because at the beginning of the day we said this is part of a conversation, and this is one step in terms of the work we need to do. I think what I come away with is having a sense of what the possibilities are and having an equally deep sense of the distance we have to go here in Baltimore that we need to travel. We will only be successful if we work together. If Johns Hopkins University works together with city government, works together with business and philanthropy, and the community-based organizations and our neighbors, that is the only chance we ever will have of being successful. There were many questions that you all asked that we have collected. Those questions will be answered. We will follow up with people to whom you posed them. We have been videotaping panels throughout the day after their session ended, and we're going to be posting those responses as well as video of the entire symposium, and that will be going up shortly. Tomorrow, the audio files of everything that has been done will be sent to a transcriptionist, and within 2 months, we will have transcribed, edited, and produced a synthesis of today and what we have learned. We'll develop a series of briefs, and within the next few days, every single person sitting here will receive an invitation to continue this conversation and continue the work. We have dates established already over the next month for working groups to continue this effort. Simply enduring one day's symposium ain't enough. But for now, thank you. Please join us at the reception, and let me just tell you a word about the reception. We'll be joined by some of the young people from Henderson Hopkins School and their parents who put together the videos that we saw this morning, the photographs that we saw, and they will be on display. And we've also had a poster competition where the first phase was a competition of developing the posters, and I think approximately 22 posters were selected. And these are undergraduate and graduate student collaborations with community organizations and entities. Some are programmatic, some are research. We will be giving 4 awards for research and for programs that represent collaborations that are the models and the best of what we together should be doing and can be doing. So please join us. The ginger ale will be flowing outside and to the left. Thank you all.